we have the Welsh puppies, and Thor and Dixie aren't leaving me alone, so I guess they're in it too today. Go on, get. It's not about you guys. Come back later, okay? Right here is Zeus and Zevas' little girlie with the blue and orange. Come on, Pups, come on. Come on. Making a show for you. Zeus and Zevas' little girl. And there's orange. Sadie and Cooper's. There's purple, Sadie and Cooper's, and blue is up here. Oh, they just crack me up. Come here, fella. Oh, and here comes Kaya. Wow. Well, we're gonna about half the crew then. Come on, Pups. That's purple. This is Zevas' little girl on my left. Here's Dixie and Airedale. Sorry, Dixie, they're after Welshes. Zevas' little girlie. And Zevas' little girlie here, she turned 6 weeks on Wednesday. Today is Friday. She got her shot today. Oh, you guys crack me up. You're after my phone? This is purple. So there's Zevas' little girl, followed by orange. And Dixie. Not all adult dogs like puppies, but Dixie and Kaya are big puppy lovers. So that's Zevas' little girlie. Here's Green. Oh yeah, I don't know if I finished my sentence, but Sadie's puppies turned 5 weeks today. And Zevas was 6 weeks this past Wednesday, 2 days ago. Purple. There's blue. There's green. Come here, puppies. There's pink. And Zevas' girl. Puppies love leaves. They love the sound and playing with them, and that's Zevas' girlie. And here's orange, and I think that's green. Yeah. And there's pink and blue. Zevas. There's pink, orange, purple. So they are 5 weeks now, so I would say this week we'll start having you guys start picking. And there's a lot going on here. Dixie. Somebody's pulling on my camera strap. There's pink. I need another person here to view this whole thing, because I've got somebody licking my ear and somebody is pulling on my shirt, and there's blue. And that's purple. Kaya. Oh, look at that. She's protecting the puppies from Thor. Hey! Good girl. That's nice of you, but no. Hey. Good girl. But stop. Come on. Come on. Come on, puppies. Okay, so we've got, this is Zevas right here, and this is Pink. And here comes Purple. Right there's green, orange, and blue's blue likes Kaya. Green's running up to Kaya. And orange is right there. So the three boys, we got orange, blue, and green. And then the girls are purple and pink. Yeah, so anyways, we'll be ready to pick this week. And I'll contact you, I'll email you about that. But if you're first to pick, you know, start thinking about that. Come on, guys. Yeah, come here. That's a good boy. Blue, that's a good boy. Come on, Green. Come on. Oh no, my battery light is blinking, so I guess we'll just go till we run out. There's Purple. Like your belly rubbed? Do you like your belly rubbed? Come on, guys, come on. Come on. Come on, puppies. Come on. Purple. Kaya, that's good. I'm glad you're protecting him, but oh, Zevas Pup's got a stick. Okay, so as for personalities, boy, it's hard to tell because this whole bunch, they're a good bunch of puppies. Zevas girl. There's green, blue. Nobody has caught my eye as being really more or less active or quiet, honestly. They're all pretty active. So goes green and Zevas pup, orange, pink, purple, green. Orange seems like it may be coincidence or it might be something with the personality, but it seems like whenever you enter the room, orange is the first one that you see. I mean, first one that comes out. And so that's kind of meaning he'd be a little more adventuresome maybe, but that hasn't been anything that I've noticed like real. This is pink down here. Real predominantly. That's orange and Zevas pup. There's blue having a ball down there, huh? Blue, come here. Yeah, come on. Come on. Let's see if I can. Come on. So I got purple and pink. And right here is, I think, blue. No, that's Zevas pup. I got blue going to the bathroom there. Orange is in the very lead. And I think green's right behind. Come on. Come on, puppies. Come on, purple and pink. Come on. And there's Zevas girl. Come on, pink. Come on. Come on. There we go. Purple, orange, Zevas, blue, green, pink. You're up here. Come on. Come on. Good puppies. Dixie. Pink to me, I should get the two females here, is a little bit on the more petite side, it seems like. So these are the two, oh, not orange, sorry. Yeah, purple. Oh boy, oh boy. So, for the two females, oh my, come on purple. I think pink is on the smaller side. For the boys, I would say green is, Size really, like with Airedale's, size varies a lot more because there's just obviously more weight that it can vary, but with the Welshes it really doesn't all that much. And size is one of those unpredictable things anyways, that even when you think they're going to be small, they can end up large. And what? What, Green? And Blue? You guys are so stinking cute. If you can't tell, I'm really having fun with this batch. I have fun with all of them, but I love Welsh puppies. There's Pink, Green. Hey, Zeva's puppy. Purple and orange. And Zeva's pup's gonna come rescue him. That's Purple in the lead there, and Orange just tackled Purple. This is Green, Zeva's pup. That was Orange running back here. Purple out there. I got Pink sitting right here with me. And I got Blue back here chewing on my arm. What's up with that? Come on, Purple! Purple! Yeah! As you can see, they're all really doing good with coming when I call too, and that is huge because that's one of those things that you start early and you stick with it and they'll do great. But boy, if they miss it right off the bat, you're kind of in trouble. Actually, all of them have done phenomenal. There goes Green and Orange. So you can see, Orange seems to be in the midst of a lot of orneriness. There's Blue, Pink, Zevas, Purple. Come here, Green! Come here! Gone the wrong way! Woohoo! It's Pink getting in the box and Green and Orange out there. Come on! Zeva's girly. Pink, come on! Come on, Orange! Come on! She wasn't calling for you, I was. Come on! Good Dixie. Zeva's, Purple. So you know what? I'll get you another video this week. And I won't have Dixie and Thor out for that one. It's just a little chaotic for me. This Pink, Purple, it's Green and Blue. It's Orange. It's Pink and Purple. Zeva's pup. Purple. Pink. It's Blue and Green still having it out down there. Orange pulling the grass up. You mowing the lawn? Hey, you mowing the lawn? There comes Blue. Zeva's pup. Purple. Green. Pink. Zeva's little girly. Hey, Green! 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 Having a ball over there with Kaya. It's really good for them too. I always try to have them around, you know, as many new things as I can because, sorry, that was shaky there. It's just all the less that you guys have to do, and the earlier you introduce new things and sounds and, come on, the better off, you know, you're more resilient your puppy will be and won't be afraid of things so much. So that's why they're with the adult dogs sometimes, obviously just when we're out with them, but it's good for them. Come on, Green! Atta boy! You're hopping back in. Alright, so we got purple. One more time. Green. Blue. Pink and orange. I think I already did purple, but purple. Zeva's little girl. Orange. And pink. Okay. Well, we will be seeing you guys soon, won't we?